check out this tactical belt from Jukemo. They have a really good packaging, by the way, so if you have this as a present, this would be very nice. Little travel bag, perfect for taking it with you if you need to go somewhere and you don't want to have it just loose in your luggage. But look at this. This is a very heavy duty, very strong. Just look at the material. This thing is very, very strong. So you wrap them around your waist and you go through here. You can hear it kind of clicking like that. It's going to come out here and you're going to wrap it underneath this part here. And once it's through, you're going to push this down and it won't come out. You can push it tighter, but it won't come out. And then you can release it by pushing this tab right there. And if you have like too much, you can also cut it. It's actually the way the fabric is, you can actually cut it. That's really cool. And just, yeah, very strong material. This is going to hold your pants up. Anything heavy that you're going to put on it that's tactical, it's not going to be loose around your waist. So perfect for that kind of gear. Just all around great quality, just very sleek looking. I highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.